Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A54 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, so we can do it in any app which will provide you with a keyboard. Messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen, just like here. And all we have to do is to open the settings. They should be at this option bar here. Of course, I'm explaining how to change the language by using on the Samsung keyboards. It will be a little bit different in different keyboards like the Gboard and so on and so on. But I'm pretty sure that this operation is quite similar in all of them, so you will be able to recreate the steps and apply them to the different keyboard. So let's enter the settings as I said, and then let's tap on languages and types. Here, as you can see, we've got the list of currently applied languages. We've got the English only, and we have to enter manage input languages. As you can see, we will be transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. They are divided into two sections. So the first one is with those switchers. It simply means that they are currently saved on your device, so you can immediately turn on. But here you've got available languages which are not downloaded, but no worries, you have to just have the internet connection, of course, and tap on this update or download icon, and you will be able to set them. What we've got here, we've got check for the update, so you can always tap on it if for some reason you cannot find your language. Alright, so in order to set different language, to add different language to the keyboard, we have to find it and tap on the switcher. As you can see, I've picked Arabic. It is because I'd like to also show you the actual difference in the keyboards. After getting back, you can see that the Arabic language has been applied to this list. And here we've got an additional option, the language switching method. So after tapping on it, you can see that you've got three different options. You've got the language key, which is currently applied, the spacebar swipe, and actually both. And I'd like to pick both options in order to show you the difference and how to use both of them. So right now we can go back to the keyboard. And basically we've got only one difference here. We've got this globe icon, which is our language key, and thanks to this we will be able to change the language simply. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. And the same situation to English again. As I said, we've got also the spacebar swipe option active, so we can try to change the language by swiping on the spacebar, and as you can see, this option works smoothly. So it's up to you, of course, which option you'd like to use and which you prefer. So basically this is how to add the language to a keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages and types, and right here we have to tap on manage input languages. So we have to go back to this list, and right here we can simply turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. As you can see, it is basically turned off, so we should have only English. As you can see, it is notified that we've got only English, and right here we do not have the globe icon, and we also cannot swipe on the spacebar, which simply means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.